Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is miso butter noodles. First things first, let's season our shrimp. So I have my shrimp. I have about like 6 large shrimp. You could use anywhere between like 6 to 8, depending on however much you're going to eat. And for the seasoning, we're gonna keep it pretty simple. So I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame oil, and of course, all the measurements and the ingredients will be in the description below. So I have my sesame oil in there. I'm also going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of white pepper. We're gonna do some dried parsley. And a little bit of smoked paprika, mostly for color. Also a little bit of that nice smoky flavor. Let's go ahead and just season this. And I'm just gonna let this sit to the side while we prep some other ingredients. I'm just gonna place that right there. Let's go ahead now and mince some garlic. So I have 2 large garlic cloves, and I'm just going to slice. And then we're just gonna go ahead and go back and forth, chopping this until it is minced. I love these simple recipes that take like 10 minutes to make. They're great. They taste like restaurant style without actually being the restaurant price. And if you're someone who cooks a lot of Asian style food, you probably already have these ingredients at home, which is really, really great. Saves you a trip to the grocery store. So here is my minced garlic. That is ready to go. And I'm also gonna prep one more final thing. So I'm just gonna leave this garlic to the side. And I also, just for the very end, I wanna already get my green onion ready. This is gonna go on top as garnish. I just like to prep everything at the very beginning so that we don't have to do it while we're actually cooking. Last thing I wanna prep is some freshly grated parmesan. Of course, you can buy it pre-grated as well, but I just have my block right here, and I'm grating it on the finer side. This is gonna make our noodles super, super creamy without adding too much of that like cheesy flavor. I have a stainless steel pan that's heated on medium heat. Let's do the water test to make sure that it is ready to go. And now I'm going to lower it just slightly so it's like at a medium low. I'm gonna add my avocado oil to the pan. And the reason I'm using avocado is because it has a high heat point. It's also a pretty neutral flavor. And I'm gonna first cook the shrimp. So we're gonna cook these shrimp for about a minute on each side, and then we're gonna take it out and work on the sauce. I just like to have my shrimp basically fully cooked so that at the very end we're just mixing and combining all the ingredients rather than having to cook it in the pasta itself. Let's go ahead and flip over these shrimp. And if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to hit that like button down below and also subscribe to my channel. Also, if you know someone that would absolutely love this recipe, make sure to share this video with them by hitting that share button. So these shrimp are ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out and just place them back in my bowl. I'm gonna lower the heat to low, and we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Maybe like 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna let that melt. And directly into the pan, I'm also going to add 3 tablespoons of my miso paste. It'll really depend on the brand of miso that you're using, depending on how salty it is or the flavor profile of it. So it could be anywhere from 2 to 4 tablespoons. So you'll just taste your pasta and add a little bit extra if you need it. So I'm now creating this miso butter sauce. It's super duper fragrant. It's got that beautiful umami flavor, the umami smells. I'm I'm gonna make sure my heat is really low here. And to this miso butter, I'm gonna add my minced garlic. We're gonna go ahead and mix that in and let all of those flavors kind of melt together. At this point, we can also add our grated parmesan. And for my noodle of choice, this is gonna be a really low carb recipe. So I'm using one of my favorite low carb noodle brands, which is these by Miracle Noodles. You can find it on my Amazon storefront if you wanna purchase this one. And I'm using the angel hair. I like to rinse it under cold water and then I just strain it until all the water comes out. And so into the pan, I'm gonna add my noodles. And we're gonna go ahead and mix in that sauce with our noodles. Make sure that it is fully incorporated. Let's go ahead and add some sesame seeds. I'm gonna add half of the green onion that I chopped up earlier, and also adding in my shrimp. So we're just letting all these flavors combine, and I'm just gonna leave this on the pan to kind of let the noodles heat up. Again, the shrimp are basically fully cooked. The noodles are already cooked, so all you need to do is just heat them up. And now it's absorbed all of that flavor. We're gonna let it sit for just about a minute to kind of let everything come together, and then we're ready to plate. And that is it. You have a delicious, savory miso garlic butter noodle with shrimp. This is super delicious. It is low carb, it is low calorie, it is restaurant style. I mean, take a look at this. You might as well have ordered this at a restaurant, but without all the calorie guilt, carb guilt, and you've made it right in your own home. Now, most importantly, we have to do the taste test. I have my perfect bite, the noodles, the shrimp. Can't wait to try this. Cheers. Wow. Delicious, savory, absolutely incredible. I can't wait for you guys to try this one. I know you guys will love this recipe. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.